welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anik Rose. If you don't know me now, you know me. Hey. If you don't mind, subscribe to my YouTube channel because this channel is popping and we have hair videos, we have lifestyle videos, we have everything on this channel. So basically it will be really simple for me. This is a routine I do when doing a protective style. It can be any kind of protective style, which, like, for example, braids, braidless crochet, any kind of protective style. This is what I do. I always wash my hair the day before, and then I comb my hair for my hair to be stretched to the max. It's like my wash day routine that I do before doing any kind of protective style. So it's really easy. So I'm going to up in the shower. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. So it's the prep thing, it's really easy. Like it's like literally my wash day routine. Yeah, and just brush out my hair, then apply some water, the water before I brush my hair, then some cream, which is the OSS Curls Unleashed, with shea butter and honey, because they don't sell anymore the one with the shea butter only, and I'm so pissed. But anyways, I use that for my hair. Then I braid my hair. I just sleep with this hair till I braid my hair in the protective style. And yeah, basically I use for my oil, I use the olive oil, virgin olive oil, and that's pretty much it. And I just do some braids, and I look like the girl in Bolian Express. Bolian, how do we say that? Anyways, I look that like that, but at the end we will be flawless. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao. This is